Hello everyone, this is Ashu John, Principal St. Mary's Christian School, Sahibabad, and I would like to wish all the teachers out there, especially the teachers of my school, St. Mary's Christian School, a very happy Teachers Day, and yes, of course, a pat on the back for the great work that all of us have been doing during these COVID times. And needless to say, my dear teachers, on Teachers Day, no matter how much we say that teaching is a humbling job and then we don't expect anything in return, but this is the day when we want our kids rushing back to us, coming to us and telling us that, hey, you changed my life, hey, you touched me in a positive way, and I can never forget the contribution you have in my being. So here I am giving you just a quick 2-3 tips on how to becoming a favorite teacher. Undoubtedly, every teacher wants to be a favorite teacher of his or her students, and yes, we do give in our 100%, but here are just a little 2 or 3 things that which we add into our teaching learning methodology. Our students will come back asking for more. Our students will come back telling us how positively we changed their lives. So to go about, remember one thing, always and always create an inclusive environment in your classroom, whether it is an online session or whether it is a face-to-face class. Don't forget to have an inclusive environment. Include everybody. A teacher should have a heart which is as big as her classroom. So include everyone in your class in spite of their differences or the challenges that they face. Then the second thing which I would like to say, which has great meaning, the children who find love in their homes, they come to school to learn. But the children who do not find love at their home, they come to school to get that love. So dear teachers, give a lot of love, a lot of care, a lot of empathy to your students. Treat them as your own, and trust me, you will have a positive impression in their heart, in their being forever and ever. And now the third but the greatest thing is, when you go down the history and look at some great teachers who we have had, not to forget our own great Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, in whose memory we celebrate Teachers Day year after year. What is special about these teachers? Well, the only thing special in these teachers is they do not only teach the curriculum. They do not limit themselves to the book. They do not limit themselves to the subject at hand. They teach students valuable things about their lives, the things that can turn around any personality, that can help the students, motivate them, instill that confidence with which they can take on the world. So don't let yourself be defined with the things that are written in the book. Don't limit yourselves to the subject that you are teaching. Rise above and beyond. Touch the lives of your students, create positive changes, and trust me, once you start loving your profession, the same love will be extended to your students and they will be left with no option. But yes, coming back to you every Teachers Day to tell you, hey, I love you and you are one of my favorite teachers. So thank you very much for all the nice work, for all the resilience, for all the courage that you have shown in these different times, and the inspiration, the motivation you have instilled in the students and their families is commendable. I appreciate your great work and looking forward to many such worthy examples, not alone in words but in actions from you guys. Have a lovely day. Do not look for motivation outside but within yourself. You are precious to me and you are precious to the society. Have a lovely year ahead. Wish you once again a very happy Teachers Day.